Introducing the Matson solar charger MA1106, a simple and effective way to charge and maintain 12-volt batteries and for charging portable devices on the go. To charge your portable device, simply put the panel in the sun, connect the appropriate cable to the USB port, and then connect it to your device. Charging starts automatically. To charge 12-volt batteries, you have two options. You can either connect directly to the vehicle OBD port in compatible vehicles using the cable provided, or connect directly to the battery using the cable with the alligator clips. Installation is easy using the included suction cup mounts, and the panel can be located within the vehicle, keeping it safe from the elements. Pick up a Matson solar charger today.